Hello. I got my cat here. She's in the mood for some pumpkin spice lattes. So it's fall, got my fall attire on, nice casual Sunday. So I thought I would take some time and make a quick pumpkin spice latte. This recipe is not going to require syrup. So if you have an espresso machine, or you can make a really strong cup of coffee and have something to froth milk with, you could probably pull this off. It is vegan, it's keto, and you can change that depending on if you use milk or not and stuff like that. For me, I have a lactose problem, so I'm going to use some coconut milk. So this is the one that I like. You can buy like the big things of coconut milk in the store, but it really doesn't froth right. It doesn't give you the opportunity to make some latte art. Not that I'm good at that or anything, but this is the one that I like the most. It's just water and coconut. So that's that. And I have the ingredients here. We have ground ginger, we have ground cinnamon, ground nutmeg, and we have stevia extract. Again, like if you want to use simple syrup, you don't care about keto or staying low carb or whatever, that's fine. If you are going to use simple syrup, I recommend about 1 ounce to 2 ounces, based on your taste preferences. So let's get started. I'm gonna grab my portafilter. This has been heating up for a long time, so it's definitely good. Just gonna pop this back there. By the way, I just updated this. This is my new dosing funnel. I love it. It's awesome. It stays on there nice, tight. You just push it right back in there, and everything works great. I'll link that in the description, so if you want to buy it, you have that link. All right, so I'm just going to kind of tap it around a little bit. My method is to tamp slightly before giving it a proper distribution and tamp. I have a video though explaining that, how to make a good shot of espresso. So you can watch that if you want. All right. So now that this is all good to go, I'm going to pull my shot. Now the order of this doesn't matter to me all that much. Some people say pull your shot first, some people say steam the milk first. If you have a really nice dual boiler machine, you can do both at the same time. For me, I'm just going to pull the shot and get my ingredients ready. So here we go. The timing should be pretty good with this. So on here, this is a pretty standard size. We're going to go about 5 ounces up with the coconut milk. You typically want to go like right to where the stem starts. So do a little shake. Now, this is the method that I've come up with, is that we're going to do ground cinnamon. We're just going to put it directly in the milk. I know some coffee connoisseur or someone's going to probably be pissed at me, but whatever. So we're going to do a fourth. We're going to do a fourth of cinnamon. We're going to do an eighth. Oops. That's fine, I'll leave that there. I got an eighth of ground ginger. And I'm not going to put nutmeg in right now because nutmeg doesn't really, doesn't incorporate nice. So this should incorporate really nicely when you go to steam it. I give it a little swirl to kind of get it mixed a little bit. Don't have to be perfect. And you might see some chunks and stuff. It doesn't look pretty right now, but once you steam that up, it'll look a lot nicer. So let's get that going. This is going to take a couple seconds to heat up. Come on, baby. There we go. is coming out really nice. You really want to shoot for that wet paint look. Some people, you know, will say to go for, and this is coming out really nicely. I'm going to kind of just start the swirling motion. I like the texture right now. So now you're going to put the, once you get the texture right, you just need to steam up the milk so to make it hot enough. And you want to hold your hand here until it gets almost too hot to touch, which is right about there. Now, for me, I'm just going to put the stevia right in the coffee. Now, you could have done either method. This is to taste. It's very strong, so like a 1/16 of a teaspoon is enough. But you know, that's depending on what you are using at home. So this is really nice texture. I'm gonna pour it in. It smells freaking wonderful. So good. So we got a nice pour. Stop. I'm gonna try to make some latte art. We're gonna see what happens here. So get it really close. Sorry about that. My camera lost storage, so my latte art hindered badly. But it's not about the art, it's about the flavor. At the end, just make sure to top it with a tiny bit of nutmeg to really give it that pumpkin spice ending. I don't like a lot just because it's very aromatic and there is like, it's not ground like cinnamon, so you're gonna get little pieces, but it's wonderful for the smell. So again, I hope you guys liked it. Please like, comment, subscribe. If you have questions too, I'll gladly answer them. Thanks.